Okay, so we're going to look at some hard turning point questions today. Turning points, basically the method to find them is you have to complete the square first, and these questions are split into two parts. So part A is going to be the completing the square part, and part B is going to be writing down what the turning point is. When you're finding the turning point for an equation that has a coefficient of x squared that's not 1, you have to factorize out that coefficient first. So for this one, I have to factorize out the 2 from the first two terms. So I'd change it to x squared minus 6x, and then I'd leave the 23 on the outside. Then you're going to complete the square for that bracket like you would normally. So remember, that's halving the coefficient of x, so it's minus 6, so it's minus 3, and then take away that number squared, and then add 23, still stays on the outside. Now we're going to expand, so we're going to times by 2, 2x minus 3 squared. That's minus 9 times by 2 is minus 18, and then plus 23, and then you get 2x minus 3 squared plus 5, and that is it in completed the square form. Now the turning point, this one would look like this. So the turning point is basically the minimum point. So it's how can we make this thing as small as possible? And if you want it to be as small as possible, you need this bracket to equal 0. So x has to be 3, because 3 take away 3 is 0. And then what would be left? You'd have 5 left. So 5 is your y coordinate. Okay, I'll do another one as well. So same thing, it's got 2 at the front. So we'll take 2 out first. Then we're going to complete the square for the bracket. Then we're going to expand. Then we're going to simplify. And then to finish, we're going to write down the turning point. So what makes the bracket equal 0? That's negative 4 for x. And what's left over? Minus 6 for y.